Guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we're going to be making some fried rice. Okay, so for the fried rice, these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using: soy sauce, oyster sauce, green beans, sweet peas, butter, carrot. So I do, as you can see, I do not have mixed vegetables, so I'm just gonna cut this carrot and use it. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my carrot. Stay tuned. Here's the carrot, guys. So I removed the water from it. It's finished boiling. I removed the water and I'm going to combine it with this one that I have here. Oh, it's still hot. So I combine it with the sweet peas and the string bean. You have it, guys. This is our complete mixed vegetables. So I'm just gonna leave it here for it to cool out, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge once it cool out to prepare it later. Here I am frying my veggies. So these are eggs. You can use whatever you want to use in there. You can use shrimp, but I don't use shrimp, so I don't use that. Or you can use chicken, whatever you like. So I use this sesame oil. I'm going to use this soy sauce and oyster sauce to do my rice, and my rice is already cooked. I'm just waiting on this to fry a little bit before I add my rice to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my rice to this. Now I am going to go in and I'm going to add some of this oyster sauce. Then this is the soy sauce that I'm using. I'm going to add some. Then I'm going to stir it and let it fry. And here you have it. Our fried rice is finished. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.